Top 10 New Technology Trends That Will Define 2026. Every decade brings new inventions, but 2026 feels different. This is the year when technology finally crosses the line from impressive to unbelievable. Artificial intelligence will behave more like a human mind. Wearables will monitor your health with hospital-level precision. Cities will run themselves, and the digital world will merge so deeply with our reality that screens might become optional. So today, we'll explore the top 10 technology trends that won't just shape 2026, they'll define an entirely new era. AI that understands you like a human. Not long ago, AI followed basic instructions. In 2026, it will understand speech, emotions, tone, mood, intent, and respond with human-like reasoning. AI assistants will no longer wait for commands. They will anticipate needs, learn your routines, organize your tasks, and adapt based on your personal patterns. Imagine technology that predicts your schedule, plans conversations for you, negotiates prices, writes detailed reports, and transitions between tasks as naturally as a human assistant. This evolution turns AI from a tool you control into a partner you collaborate with. Personal AI avatars for everyone. By 2026, millions of people will have a digital version of themselves, trained on their writing style, personality, preferences, and long-term goals. These personal avatars can attend virtual meetings, reply to emails and messages, manage finances, learn new skills on your behalf, handle customer support, analyze opportunities, protect your digital footprint. It's like having a second version of yourself that handles the digital world while you focus on your real one. For many, AI avatars become a second brain, tireless assistant that improves the quality of both work and life. Smart cities that think like organisms. By 2026, major cities around the world will begin operating on intelligent digital infrastructure that behaves more like a biological ecosystem than a collection of isolated systems. Traffic systems adjust in real time based on congestion, accidents, and weather. Smart energy grids reduce waste, automatically shift power loads, and lower electricity bills for millions of residents. Public transport responds dynamically to demand, avoiding overcrowded routes and sending extra vehicles where they're needed most. Sensors monitor air quality, rivers, forests, and structural health of bridges, alerting authorities instantly. Even storm drains and flood barriers will react automatically to incoming storms. This isn't just modernization, it's the birth of cities that think, respond, and evolve just like living organisms, learning from citizens and reshaping themselves in real time. Predictive health monitoring 2026 marks the shift from treating illness to preventing it before it ever begins. Wearable devices will track the body with near medical precision, analyzing heart rate, oxygen, hydration, stress, skin chemistry, muscle tension, sleep cycles, and micro patterns we can't see but AI can interpret instantly. The data isn't just recorded, it's continuously compared to millions of medical biomarkers to predict potential issues before they appear. Instead of asking, "Why am I feeling unwell?" your device will warn you days or even weeks in advance, giving personalized guidance for sleep, nutrition, movement, mental health, and recovery strategies tailored to your body. Healthcare moves from clinics to your wrist, your glasses, your home, creating a world where illness becomes rare and prevention becomes the new definition of medicine. Augmented reality, replacing screens. 2026 will push AR closer to everyday adoption. AR glasses will project apps, maps, notifications, and full virtual screens directly into your field of view with seamless clarity. The experience becomes so natural that you forget you're looking through a device. Imagine watching a movie on a floating virtual screen, scrolling messages in midair, seeing live translation subtitles in real time, navigating streets with arrows on the road, working with holographic interfaces, designing 3D objects that float in front of you, accessing your entire phone UI without touching anything. Instead of switching between devices, your environment becomes the interface, turning every surface, every wall, and even empty space into a digital workspace. It's the beginning of screenless computing. Autonomous everything. Automation is no longer limited to cars. By 2026, we'll see the rise of autonomous systems in nearly every field, from retail logistics to agriculture. These machines will communicate with each other, forming coordinated networks that operate with precision. Delivery drones will navigate complex cities. Robotic taxis will operate without human drivers. Factories will run with self-managing machines. Warehouses will use swarms of bots to sort, move, and ship inventory. Even farms will adopt autonomous tractors, drones for crop monitoring, and AI-powered irrigation that adjusts in real time based on moisture and temperature levels. Autonomy becomes the invisible engine powering transportation, logistics, agriculture, and industry, quietly reshaping how society moves and functions. Ultra-fast 6G networks. 5G was about speed. 6G is about instantaneous connectivity and building a foundation for fully immersive communication. This network aims to bridge the gap between physical presence and digital interaction. This next-generation network will bring hologram calls, zero-latency VR and AR, instant global translation, remote robotics with no delay, cloud gaming with no hardware limits, massive upgrades to global security, real-time smart city coordination. Data transfer becomes so fast that distance stops mattering. Virtual meetings feel like real rooms. AI-enhanced visuals sharpen instantly, and digital twins of entire cities operate in real time. Communication reaches a level where waiting simply disappears, ushering in a new era of global synchronicity. Household robots become mainstream. 2026 will see a huge jump in consumer robotics. Devices designed not to impress, but to genuinely make daily life easier. These robots will learn from your habits, understand your schedule, and adapt to your home environment automatically. Not humanoid robots, but practical assistants designed for everyday tasks. They'll organize items, clean floors, assist elderly care, prepare basic ingredients, hold tools for repairs, provide security patrols, interact using natural speech, manage reminders and simple chores. These robots will be compact, efficient, and powered by AI that understands simple voice instructions without complex programming. For many homes, robots go from novelty to daily necessity, quiet helpers that blend seamlessly into everyday routines. Quantum computing's first real impact. For years, quantum computers were experimental, but by 2026, they'll begin solving specialized problems that normal computers cannot approach, opening doors to solutions previously considered mathematically impossible. Quantum breakthroughs will accelerate drug discovery, climate forecasting, materials engineering, cybersecurity, DNA analysis, space mission simulations, predictive economic modeling. Governments, labs, and corporations will begin shifting critical operations to quantum-powered systems capable of processing billions of variables simultaneously. This is the start of a technological revolution that redefines computing from the ground up. A leap in problem-solving power with worldwide consequences. Hyper-realistic digital universes. Virtual worlds are no longer cartoonish. In 2026, they will look and feel almost indistinguishable from real environments, with lighting, shadows, and physics that respond instantly to your actions. AI-generated environments render instantly. Physics behave realistically. Characters inside these worlds think, adapt, and interact as if they have personalities. You won't just enter virtual spaces, you'll experience them like living, breathing realities. Millions will use these environments for remote work, education, design, training, business meetings, entertainment, social gatherings, and events. The digital world stops being a separate place and becomes a natural extension of our daily life. A second environment where people live, learn, and create just as freely as the physical world. The future belongs to those who adapt. 2026 isn't just another year, it's a turning point, a moment where intelligence, automation, and digital evolution merge into one unstoppable wave. From cities that think to AI that understands to realities that merge, the world is stepping into a new phase of human advancement. And as always, the people who stay curious, aware, and adaptable will lead the change. If you enjoyed this deep dive into tomorrow, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos exploring the future shaping our world.